That doesn't work. Then near the end of the game, it's just
let's say the scenario. This is the territories.
Who borrowed the foam grenade, by the way?
Scenario. And
put it in the kill house.
you have to control the four
you're
corner
sporting a
buildings.
Chicago
Okay, I'll find it later. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Can you hold this?
Why?
I'm gonna learn the
Well,
pistol.
just in case we need it again, you never know.
Which buildings need to be held?
Wait, is there frags this road?
This is the corner building right here that needs to be held.
I think there is. If I need to load my. Hey, what are you doing shooting? You're not supposed to shoot outside.
Same kind of building. And then on
You do it all the time.
Yeah, not in front of the reps.
Kill house, but yeah.
Alright, so get guys into the kill house. The corner buildings. And that's about
Wait,
it.
we're gonna go which corner? White, right?
Let's the corner. Let's try to get to the corner next to spawn. If
Okay,
it's-
which corner are you going? Right or straight ahead?
Yeah, right.
Okay, right being the far sideline over there. That way we're not crossing stream. If you're going to the kill house, be in these two lines here. Kind of move.
It's all at once. Pick a house.
if you take a corner house, do not leave.
I'm not going inside the kill house.
Yeah, make
That-
sure
that's
you
just-
want
that sounds like bad
I would
news.
say 3 people in each corner house. So that
All
way
right,
when
where
one
to?
gets hit,
We'll wait for reinforcements.
If you're in a corner house.
Well, if they never
we'll
come.
take it the long side.
Then we hold
don't
it
know how
out
many people
forever.
going long ways.
We hold it out.
Okay.
I say let's go into the alleyway and then shortcut through the bank.
Okay, so you're gonna go kill house?
I don't know.
I thought
We're,
we were
we're,
gonna go this way.
no, let's take the flank route.
What are you
Well,
talking
if there's an alleyway, okay. If so, go kill house route and kind of.
All right.
If they use the alleyway open, we're gonna get cut up if we come out on the other side. There's gonna be too many people there.
Well, whichever.
Yeah, we should just go to this way. Go to the house. Go this way to
What,
the
the
house.
first house over there?
On
Yeah, the
right
one on the
corner.
far corner.
Oh,
Right
okay,
corner.
okay.
And make
Okay,
sure.
we're 2 guys. Third guy for the house over there?
The house right blue. You want to go? Do you think we'll have enough people that way? They don't have anybody. Yeah.
They've got a couple people over there, but if you're gonna go straight ahead, get in the far line over here. That way we're not crossing, that way you're not trying to cross in front of
Do we have
everybody.
enough people going both ways?
We'll find out in a minute.
Just reinforce the side that looks like it's breaking.
Yeah.
Come on over here.
Yeah. Excellent.
Come on over here. We're going long.
Yeah. There's 2 lines going long there. Yeah.
And then work our way around the corner.
Should I press the button now?
It's already recording. It's
Oh,
been
it is?
recorded. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Do I need to make it tighter? Does it feel like it's gonna flap around?
Yeah, it feels like that.
Generally about 20 minutes.
Stay up there.
A couple minutes after. We need to make sure we have people in.
You know, you used to be pushing my mask up. Now you're pushing it down. Dang, these things
I
don't
wish
go
you'd
for
blow
the
that
buses.
whistle because I'm barbecuing in here.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm sleeveless now. I'm just fine.
Whistle!
Let's go! Come on!
It's hot!
Let's go!
Go right! Go right! Get that house! That's my house! Yeah!
Yeah, I got that guy. Guys, the castle. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Sorry! Watch it.
I'm not good at watching it.
I'll be back. Stay here. Put that guy out. The thing I love about this is because of the round jump, I can just keep on shooting. Hit. You said you'd come back. That's five. Go.
Okay, push out over to that corner. Push out to the corner. Window, son. Hit. I'm here.
Hit. Huh?
Kill me in the ground again. That's not working. Five.
That's five. Let's go.
Come here, son.
Oh wow.
Whoa.
First fire? No, it's just...
Wait, is that KP05?
Let me lever my fire selector.
Okay, can you do what you did?
Yeah, primary down. Primary down. I'm going secondary. My motor's burned down. Okay.
Give me covering fire. I'm gonna go for it.
Where are you going? Tell me where you're going.
Right there. What is our objective? Okay, I'll see. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Viet Cong, guy in the bus. Hey, we need 2 more guys in here.
stay up. Over there! Where is everyone? We're supposed to have 3 guys in here. Hey, can someone get in here? We need 2 guys to secure this house. Oh, it's fine. Let's go. Hey, dude, get in the building with me.
Hey, right there.
Oh, fuck. It was on my freaking mask. Oh, yeah, I'm fine. That's 5, let's go.
Yeah, one guy. By the pallet. Go in the room.
Where is he?
He's behind the pallet near the bus.
Okay. As long as we have this, we're good.
Yeah, I think we're supposed to have at least 2.
Come here. Hey, come here. Get in here. Get in. Okay.
Okay.
Cover that side along the wall. This guy is coming out. Huh? Oh, damn. Okay. Get in.
Jesus, the guy has his pin down good. I don't want that guy shooting in the face again.
Oh, you the one who got shot? You alright?
Yeah. I think he got me in the ear.
Hey. So go around. Take that side. This guy's in front of the bus. So go around. Cover us from that point right there. Along the wall. That way. Go around the wall. Run. There you go. I like the gun. That's my other gun. How many?
Still one guy. I swear he's going auto or something. He's just instantly landing shots. Behind the pallet. I think he's pinned down. Either he's pinned or someone got him. Oh, that ricochet almost got me. Come on, hold the physical, guys. Whoopsie. I don't know. I heard something hit the wall.
Stay here, don't go.
Oh, come on. Shoot, damn it, shoot.
Hey, way to cover it.
Hey, that was a good game, man.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
See, taking the BB to the face was worth it.
Hope it didn't leave a welt or anything.
Want to see what happened last game 2 weeks ago? I gotta go to the hospital for it.
Nuh-uh. Was it Saturday or Sunday? Oh, whoa.
Someone was firing really hot and made me bleed down my arm.
Whoa.
I have never gone welts that bad before. This is the first time I played without sleeves.
Oh yeah, dude, that's what I started doing. Fuck the sleeves. Pointless, man. You can tell how hot it is.
Yeah, I know. Your eyes get all fuzzy on you because of all the sweat. That's how we do it.
What the hell? You're recording it down again.
Hurry up and stop it. This is a terrible